This is 22. I am going to show you today 3 types of bookmarks, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is my first video. This is the first model, and this one is the second. This is the third type of bookmark. For the first model you need glue, scissor, pencil, foam sheet, popsicle sticks and some pearls of different size, small one and the big one. First, paint the popsicle stick with your favorite color on both sides, and then cut the foam sheets with your favorite shape. I am cutting it into a heart shape, and you need totally 2 pieces. And now we need to stick the heart pieces with the help of the glue. We need to stick the first piece on first side and second on the second side. Then we need to stick stones of different size, one big and one small stones. You have to follow that one till the end. Yeah, that's it. Your first model bookmark is ready. For the second bookmark you need color paper, ruler, pencil, color pen and glue. First you need to cut the color paper with the measurement I have given. Then you have to fold it into half, and then you have to glue it to seal. Then you have to fold it into half. Then you can write your favorite quote. I am writing stay creative with red color pen. You can use any other colors of your choice. Now the second bookmark is also ready to use. For the third bookmark you need scissor, hairband, book, buttons, satin ribbons and needle with the thread. Then stitch the button with the front side of the ribbon. Stitch the hairband on the back side of the ribbon. Tie it with a tight knot. Now the third bookmark is also ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot for me. And then don't forget to click the bell icon. It will give you notifications. Thank you.